Hello everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day. I have a share for you. I was putting away my Valentine's Day things and I had these two old paper pads, the Hello Love by Crepe Paper and the Love Notes by Crepe Paper as well. And I've had these now for this one a couple years, this one I think it was the first Valentine's paper pad I ever bought. And I wanted to use them up. I did not want to put them back in my Valentine's stuff. So I had been seeing some tag flip books on YouTube and I thought I would try my hand at those. I had some pre-made tags. These are market tags and I got them at Tuesday Morning, I think last year or the year before when I was in Florida. So I used those as my base to make my tag flip book, and I made one using each of the two collections. So I just wanted to share those with you. So here are the two tag flip books. This one is the Hello Love and this one is the Love Notes. So the idea behind the tag flip books is that you send them to a pen pal and they can use everything that is inside them. So I put some ribbon, not sure how I'm feeling about the ribbon, but I left it really long so that they could actually untie it and use it in a project. So here is the first page for this one. I did paper on the front and back, but only decorated the front of the flip books. I had these little button Valentine's Day that I got at, oh, what's your dollar store in the States? Why am I blanking? Dollar Tree. One year when I was in the States. So I put that on the tag flip and then I decorated the back with paper and a little piece of paper from the kit. I had these tags and I just decorated. So both of these are very similar. They're just decorated a little bit different. I made a shaker pouch. These are some sequins that I got at Dollarama here in Canada, and I just used my fuse tool and made my own little shaker pouch and just put some paper at the top and reinforced it. So here's another tag decorated, and the idea, I guess, is that people could use these as tags, continue to decorate them. This one here I really love with kind of like the old-fashioned, not Polaroid, slides were they called? And then I just put a picture frame and some ephemera on the top of that. Here's another little tag. I believe these are by Pebbles, so I just threw that in there. I did this one so that this would still pop up if someone wanted to put a picture here and just put a bow on the top. These were so popular a few years ago. I have a whole bunch left, so I put one on this tag flip and I just put a little heart up here to make it a little bit more Valentine's. I created this little pouch as well with my fuse tool and put some glittery, blingy embellishments in a pocket and then just put a sticker on and used paper to create a top for that. This one here I made a pocket. So I've got just some cut aparts from the paper pad and then I stuck in a sheet of stickers. This one here, this is, I believe, Pebbles as well, and I'm going to write my little letter here, and I think that's a really cute spot for it. And then the final page is this one here, and I just decorated it with, I did have the sticker sheet for this collection, so I used that on that. And then on the back, I just have my little Made with Love by Jen, Scrapbena Creations. So that's the first one. I'll go through this one pretty quickly. It's very similar. Just use some pink ribbon on this one. I love this doily paper, and I'd been hoarding it, so I put a doily on the front here, and I had some dimensional stickers from that collection. So as you can see, it is very similar with The bow, I don't know, I could have decorated it more, but it's just so pretty. And that way, if someone wants to use this and put pictures in it, they could, or they could decorate it more and give it away. So here's that hello tag. I just used a red heart on this one. Here's the little bling package that I made for this one, and using paper from the collection on this one. This one I just left completely plain. I don't know, I feel like someone can do whatever they want with it. I just love those little cassette tapes. Reminds me of when I was younger and used to make love mixtapes all the time. Totally dating myself, but that's okay. Here's the little button pin for this one. I decorated this one. This is from the stickers from Love Notes by Crate Paper as well. So I just put that on this little tag. And then I have this tag here with some ephemera. This is some Heidi Swap. And a Pebbles tag. And then this is my little sequin shaker embellishment that I made. Love this one too with the mason jar. And this one just says, "Be my Valentine." I had an extra little tag here, so I put that in, and then this is where I will write my letter. Stuck a few things in there, put a heart paper clip on that one, and then this one is the little pocket page that I made. I have some ephemera and some like candy heart stickers in that one, and I put one on the top here as well. So that is my share for today. I hope you guys enjoyed these. These were a lot of fun, and I got to use up 2 paper pads. So that's super exciting. Yeah, so thanks for joining me today. Try to get these back in line here. I hope you guys have a great day. I really do appreciate all of you taking time out of your day to spend it with me. So thanks very much, and I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.